Hi friends, I hope you are doing well. This one is my first YouTube video, which is actually related to tech solutions. So here, as you can see, uh, this is a solution actually for your Busybox problem in your dual boot system. So if you face if you found something in your laptop or in your PC, whenever you try to reboot, whenever you try to dual boot your system with the Kali Linux, that time if you have any problem in your file system, they will show you something like this, and this actually uh, mm, make yourself stop to go forward with your Kali. Like as you can see the description here, this problem you may find whenever your file system is having an error. It's usually appear during the booting in Linux, and it might prevent you from the login and using your Linux. The error might occur for a dual boot system, and if you have Linux, you need to solve this error, or you will unable to use the Linux machine. So if you find this window in whenever you try to boot your Linux, that time they show you and they recommend you to enter the help command. And if you enter the help command, maybe you will find a message like this. And after that, I recommend you to find out the path or what you have. Like if you enter the pwd command, it will show you the path, and most probably they show you something like this, because maybe the Initramfs is in the root stage. So after that, if you are here, then you may go forward with me. Like if you type the exit command like this, and most probably then they will show some message like this. And here you can, as you can see, my problem is in this location, deb nvme contain a file system with the error. So I have to repair the NVMe partition of my laptop or PC, whatever I have. So as you can see, this is the problem's file name. So I have to repair this, and that's why the here is the command which will help you uh, to go forward to solve this problem. Like the command is fsck deb and then the memory location. So maybe if you have something like this, or maybe you don't have like this, maybe you have like deb sdb1 and also sdc1 and sda1 or nvme another location, if you have. So just replace your memory location with this, and then enter the dash y. So and then enter the hit and then hit the enter button, and hopefully it will give you a window like this, and they show that your problem is fixed. So if you find this message file system was modified, then you need to reboot your system by using the reboot command. And if this is not working with you, then don't be worried, just enter the exit command, and hopefully it will reboot your machine, and then it will give you a window like this. And yeah, this is not new for you, I know. So if you find this, maybe your problem is solved. So now enjoy your Kali, and yeah, that's the end. Thank you for watching.